Welcome. Today, we're walking you through the latest X update that lets you receive message requests directly from verified users on your PC. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or someone looking to connect with verified accounts, this quick guide will help you set things up in just a few simple steps. First, open the X app on your PC. If you're using the web version, make sure you're logged into your account so all your settings sync up properly. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Now, click on the More icon in that navigation bar. It usually looks like 3 small dots or a circle with dots inside. That's your gateway to all the important settings hidden beneath the surface. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the controls to customize your experience on X, from your account preferences to your privacy settings. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can fine-tune who can interact with you, who can message you, and how those messages are filtered. It's also the space where the new update lives. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for the section labeled Direct Messages and click on it. You'll see a variety of options here that control how you receive messages from other users. Under the part that says Allow Message Requests From, choose Verified Users. This ensures only verified accounts, those with the blue or gold checkmark, can send you message requests. Once you've made that selection, double-check that your choice is saved. You can close the Settings tab and return to your regular feed. From now on, verified users will be able to reach out to you via message requests, giving you more control and filtering out unwanted messages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled message requests from verified users on X for PC. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on using X's latest features more efficiently.